In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate ServiceNow and Jira step by step using the official Jira Marketplace integration. This is a super useful setup if your team is handling incidents, service requests, or ITSM workflows in ServiceNow while managing development tasks and agile boards inside Jira. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to install the ServiceNow integration correctly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to your Jira dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin permissions, because installing apps from the marketplace requires admin access. Once you're inside Jira and your main board or project is visible, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace. Next, look toward the top navigation area in Jira and click on More option. This opens a drop-down menu with additional settings and tools that aren't shown by default. From this menu, click on Apps. This is where Jira manages all integrations, plugins, and marketplace applications. After clicking on Apps, you'll be taken to the Atlassian Marketplace section. Here, you can browse or search for integrations that extend Jira's functionality. In the search bar, type ServiceNow. As you type, Jira will automatically start showing matching apps from the marketplace. Once the results load, look for ServiceNow integration for Jira. Make sure you're selecting the official or well-reviewed integration to ensure compatibility and security. Click on the ServiceNow integration for Jira listing to open the app details page. On the integration page, you'll see an overview of what the app does, supported features, and pricing information. To proceed, click on Try Now. Jira will then guide you through the review and install process. Carefully review the permissions the app is requesting, since this integration will allow Jira and ServiceNow to communicate with each other. When you're ready, click Review and Install to continue. Jira will now begin installing the ServiceNow integration. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once installation is complete, the app will be available inside your Jira app section. From there, you can move forward with configuring the connection between Jira and your ServiceNow instance, such as mapping fields, syncing issues, and setting up automation rules depending on your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully installed the ServiceNow integration in Jira. This setup helps teams improve collaboration between IT service management and development, reduce manual updates, and keep everyone aligned across platforms. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.